My grandfather, that is Isileli Kongaika, was the farmer. He was the one who grew everything for his family and for all his other families. It wasn't until I went to high school, because when we were in high school, we were assigned to work 2 hours every day in the plantation and 4 hours on Saturday. So we had learned how to grow stuff in the plantation, ranging from tapioca to sweet potatoes to taro to ofi and to all the other crops that bananas and all these other things. And that's where I picked up my liking for the farm. You know, I've always liked to grow things. When you see plant grow, it's an immediate reward. The law of the harvest applies very well in all that we plant. The better care I give to my garden, the better result, and produce are bigger and they produce more. And so what you sow is what you reap. If you don't take care of it, you're not going to get anything out of it. And, you know, I take that one and I apply that principle in farming and raising crops and all that. I can apply it to teaching, which is what I love to do, is teaching. I can apply, you have to irrigate, you have to cultivate, and that's what you do in the classroom. You cultivate, you sow, and then you nurse. Either putting water in, and when the end of the semester comes along, you see what the kids are learning and what they've taken out from it. It's pretty satisfying. It's how you take care of it that way. Wherever our family move, we try to find a little place to grow something because of I think it's not only, it's therapeutical. You know, you go and you plant and you see. Mom is a green thumb. Whatever she puts her hands into, she's going to grow. So we've been growing stuff like that for a long, long time. And so when we moved to Hawaii, I was assigned by the president to take care of the farm plot, and so that's how I got involved in the farm plot over there. When I was released from the state presidency after 9 years or so, the new stake president said to me, "Could you just remain and be our steak farm specialist?" And I volunteered to be the steak farm specialist in one condition, that he gives me a corner of the place where I can go and grow my own little thing. So he did. He gave me a corner of the land so I can grow and start growing my farm. That's where right by the temple. It's amazing. It's just an amazing plot, because I have a feeling that in the book of Ezekiel they talk about the temple and how the water that runs out from the temple, it grows all the plant that it touches. It could be symbolically, but I see that is true in my plot. Love the fact that right by the temple, and the blessings of the temple overflows into my farm, and I produce so much more than I ever could do it by my own. We'll never be able to eat all of it for just Mom and I. So I take every Saturday to go and take out some harvest and put it out underneath that entrance tree. And I call the bishop, whom do you want to send this to? So that's the joy of the little farm I'm enjoying very much. I think the closer you are to the earth, to God's creation, the more you are closer to your Heavenly Father, Jesus Christ.